I went on YouTube and found a place where they showed me how to make these things. It was not an easy process finding the hardware. I ran out of the kind of screws that I needed, and I had to go to 4 different stores. It took me half a day traveling all over the county to try to find those. And so that was one of the challenges I ran into. Had no idea I would be making these panniers when I bought this bike, but I see a need for it, and it's so easy to take them off, put them on, store them someplace until I need them. And I can just slip these things over it and they stay put. Don't even have to snap the lids on, which I can do if I want to. Only noise that they make, the only rattle, comes from these 2 handles right here. And when I just Velcro them together, there's no noise at all. So the bucket is designed to have this hook, and the hook, I can't see through my camera, just hooks right in there. I'm doing this one-handed. It is so easy when you have 2 hands. It goes right there, and these 2 hooks right here, they just catch on top of this rail. So there those hooks are, and there's the rail. But I have to be able to lift up. I have to be able to lift up against that spring-loaded catch there and hook these on, hook them onto the bar. So there they are, and then they hook over the bar. That is so easy when you're doing it with 2 hands. And so it takes me all of about, I'd say, 15 seconds to attach both of them, and even less than that to detach them. I have about $40, $30 to $40 invested in mainly the hardware. And then fashioning that hardware was something that I had to figure out. But it doesn't get in my way when I'm riding the bike. My feet don't touch it at all. It doesn't bang or doesn't make any noise. When I go to Edisto Beach and I ride my bike the mile down to the inlet, and I do that several times a day when I'm just walking and pulling a wagon with my fishing gear. But if I just want to hop on this and go down and look for shells and stuff like that, and then come back quickly, it's only a 10-minute trip on the bike and about a 25-minute trip or so when I'm walking. And so these panniers can be very, very helpful and handy to be able to haul stuff down or haul stuff back. I bought this bike because I tore my right meniscus and could hardly get around. Was hobbling all over the place, was in a lot of pain. And when I was at Edisto, my friend let me borrow her bike. I was able to ride that bike all the way around the town, the island, and had no pain, not during and not after. And I thought, I'm gonna have to get a mountain bike. I'm gonna have to do something to get physically active again. And so that's why I ended up buying this bike. I added this kickstand and the bottle holder, and I really love the color of this bike. And I like how it rides. It's just a great little bike. This is my Trek Marlin 5. It's a mountain bike that I've only had for a relatively short period of time. And here's my tool bag that the Watson family got for me. And this is a bike rack that I ordered online. And the bike I got at the Spartanburg bike shop here in Spartanburg. I love my bike. It's a really nice bike that I really enjoy on the mountain trails.